with JTape. I'm with my buddy Jon. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you again, Paul.
Okay, so you know my favorites.
Yes, I do. And let's start real quick with our protection tape. So this product right here, it may look like duct tape, but this is definitely not your grandfather's duct tape.
Absolutely not.
This product rips very cleanly. It's got 78 weaves per inch. It's got a tremendous adhesive on it. But what it also does is not leave any residue behind, so it comes off clean. So if you're looking to protect an adjacent panel from a runaway DA, this is a perfect product for it. You can also use it doing headlight restorations or anything like that. It's a lot more efficient than putting 3 or 4 pieces of masking tape on that product, and it is very economical, so it's priced very competitively against our competition.
And correct me if I'm wrong, incredibly water resistant as well. And not
waterproof, sandblast resistant, and just a tremendous product altogether.
That is my favorite. I know I talk about it too much.
One of our newest products, T-Tape. So this product was introduced about 90 days ago. It's called T-Tape for a reason. It's got a T shape on it, right? But it's got this removable strip back here. It's got a centered adhesive. And this is a great product that can be used for anywhere you'd put the standard old round foam. So you put that product on the pillar. So the A pillar, the B pillar, C pillar, wherever it may be. Does a great job filling that gap and gives a more efficient process than using the round foam that may kind of roll back on you when you close the door, okay? And then we've got advanced foam. Now advanced foam, this is what I like to call our foundational product. So this product was the first product we designed. It's got a flatter profile than your standard round tape. And it also goes on the moving part. So with this offset adhesive and this notch in the back, when you put it on the door itself, just make sure the adhesive is covered. And then you've got that gap filled very quickly. Now obviously there was another piece of T-tape on there, but can't double up.
That's weird. There's a whole bunch of tape on a rig in your booth.
I know it. And then the advanced foam, we also make it a larger size. So for the full-size trucks, for RVs, anything like that, the advanced foam's got a bigger XL version, so it works great there. And then our wheel repair cover. This thing is just like a hairnet for tires, right? And it's got a little elastic here, so this covers really quickly. And it's great for refinishing the wheels. And it's just a perfect product for this whole process. Makes it really quick.
It's a hell of a lot better than trying to shove playing cards in there.
Yes, it's a lot more efficient than the playing card process. And we do not sell the playing cards, so.
Oh, well, you should get that part number in your book, right?
Exactly.
Jon, you know, NCS, we're definitely aligned with the JTape and we're excited. We love getting these innovative products out in the shop, and anybody that's out there, if you want a sample, somebody needs to show you how to use it, because that's where it's going to shine. So every box has a QR code on it, and that's going to take you to the catalog and the video, correct?
Correct.
Which, watch the videos. Go check out JTape.com.
We've got a brand new refresh on our website.
Okay.
So it's much more user-friendly, a lot more information on there, so go check it out. It's a great site.
Awesome. Thanks, Jon. Good to see you.
Thank you, Paul.
We'll see you.